Something I can't stop thinking about is that we're in the middle of a really bad respiratory virus season with the flu and COVID spreading a lot, and people in ICE detention centers are routinely denied access to healthcare when they need it. And these places are also just basically petri dishes that make it really easy for infections to spread rapidly. They're already very vulnerable. They don't have access to resources to protect their health, and they're trying to survive violence and psychological distress. None of these things are good for their health and their ability to fight off infection. In 2020, there were lots of articles about how COVID was spreading rapidly in ICE detention centers and how advocates were extremely concerned about the survival of immigrants in these places when COVID was spreading. There have also been articles about how influenza and other infections have spread in other years. So far this year, I've only been able to find an article about tuberculosis spreading, which is extremely concerning too, but I'm just not able to see as many articles about COVID and the flu in ICE detention centers in the last year. The denial of healthcare and the spread of infections are other forms of violence that happen in ICE detention centers. I really hope that more people start thinking about this and talking about this, and that maybe we see some more articles and investigations. And wearing a mask does help because the less these viruses can spread around this country, the less it'll impact people who can't access healthcare or ways to protect themselves from viruses, like people in ICE detention centers or prisons. Anyway, nothing that is happening is remotely okay. Abolish ICE.